Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing the new update in Animal Company, and I got the Skelly boy.
And also my eyes hit a wall, so.
Yeah, you probably saw that short. We're still hoping he gets okay. So yeah.
Mr. Game Milk Kid.
Also, I think something's happening to me. Look. This pod's brighter than the other, so.
He's going through puberty, guys. He's going through puberty.
No, he's not. No,
I don't think it's puberty, bro.
that's not right.
Alright, so the new update is a space update, so yeah.
Kind of mainly space.
Mostly space.
Alright, guys, I just got.
Okay, I need to buy the rest of the stuff. So, bought that. Okay.
I also
So,
did get the tactical right slot. Right here. Oh my, I'm about to
And I
freeze.
also have it.
I think we all have it.
And so do I. Yeah, we all have it.
But I also have the left slot.
Yeah.
I have the left only.
I was
Guys, I think my backpack's way too full. I got 19 things in it.
Alright, y'all ready?
Hang on, I'm trying to get my
Yeah.
We're gonna crowbar.
Brother, what did you do?
Oh.
What the heck?
Dude, let me put it on my side, because I have 2 hip slots.
Grab it with your right hand. Put it like right here and then let go.
Okay.
Right hand. Use your right hand.
That left won't work.
Okay, there we go.
Where'd my
You
stuff
should have
go?
told me sooner.
Alright, guys.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Wee.
No, get out.
So I basically know exactly where it is.
Let's go, boys.
Where's Fireboy?
Trying to fix my thing.
Ah.
I'm a little neat freak, I know. And I'm stupid for it.
That's why you I know exactly where it is also.
I also remember.
You know the exact path because you've played these games before.
We're gonna go get this purple crystal.
Man. Curious Gamer, I found something out.
Yeah?
They changed it that you can mostly only get like 1 per 12 hours.
Well, no, because I got 2 in a row.
No, but it's like a high chance to get it 1 in 12 hours. I mean, it's a low chance.
Oh, low, because if it was high, I would be like, well, that's not true, because I got 2 at the same exact time.
Where are you at? Ah, there you guys are.
It's lower true.
Mine.
Oh, brother, you need to stop being here to my brother.
Monkey going to climb away.
Brother, apologize to brother.
Never.
Brother, apologize to brother.
Bro, we're all like
Never.
going for
Apologize
it.
to brother right now.
Never.
Brother, apologize right now.
You're like, brother, apologize to
my
brother.
My actual brother is like, I'm sorry. No, I meant the other way around. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You'll most likely want to grappler at this part
sorry,
because some
that's the
will
question.
fall.
I'm sorry.
What I mean by fall is this. Hold on.
Yeah, guys, we are here.
That's what I mean by fall.
Guys, don't worry. This is where all dreams come true. See?
Get out.
Look. Here.
This is the best. This is the best planet if you want. Oh my. Don't mind about the notifications if there's any also, because I have to record on Quest since there's no camera mod. Same thing, like Gorilla Tag. Bro, we just emptied this entire planet. Right, this is the part that I like. And yes, and that's what these green.
What's up, little man? Hi, little man. How was your day? I want to go back to this. Hi, little man. How romantic. Hi.
Alright, so also one very fast way to get back is to put your body in this if you're tiny. I'll show you what it's like to be tiny, but if you can't, then you'll have to go the route that you got there.
That's what I'm trying to get through. I think I had too many moves.
Thanks. Oh god, I'm back. I'm back. I don't feel so good anymore.
Oh no. This is probably going to be a short video because
I'm blue. If I was green, I would die. If I was green, I would die.
I don't think they're okay, guys. It's funny, I usually don't see a lot of spiders whenever I come this way. But I'm probably gonna see it
Small you can get.
I will die, I will D-E-E-E. Okay.
I'm blue. If I was green, I would die. Wait a minute. Ah! Hey, wake up, soldier.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. If I was green, I would die. I would die. What? Turns green? No. Now, to show y'all the power you have with these. Not the backpacks. Okay. Okay. Like so, pour this all out. I'm gonna actually sell one. Let's see how much it gives me. Let me show the viewers what it looks like.
We are in the main area.
Hi, Mr. Fireboy!
Hello.
Okay. This is really fun because if you eat the broccolis, the ones that are pink or purple, which one you ever might call it, look how tiny I am! You become tiny. They're called micro. Broccoli. Also, broccoli that turns you big. You can go rawr. Broccoli.
No, give me. It's so big. No.
fun. Okay. Okay.
Using
This is
the
really
biggest speed boost of all time.
Ah!
Don't step on the landmine, little guy. No, little guy. No.
Look how tiny I look.
That's fine.
I look like a toy. Bro, I look like I was a toy.
Yeah, using the crowbar made it feel like I was long jumping, bro.
Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my gosh. Look at your brother.
I saw. Can't get me in here though. You're too big.
Oh my gosh.
Are you still recording?
Yes. Oh.
Dang it! I'm back to normal. I ate like a stack of broth.
Hold on, guys. Let's let the viewers see how tiny you can get with only 2. Beep 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 beep.
That was 2.
Wait, get in the VR. Get in the VR. Get in the VR. What would it look like?
I'm trying. I'm thinking I'm just gonna need to use this. Try to do that.
Oh, he turns huge. Never mind, you turned big. Let's see how tiny. Oh, you're back to normal. Ew, that's the bad fire boy.
You're bad. You're the bad.
Oh no,
Serious
he's
gamer.
huge! He's huge! Run!
I'm not as big as earlier, but I'm still big.
Hi!
I'm gonna see how tiny I can get.
I'm going to beat you up.
No! Wait, what happens if I sell you? I want to see what happens if I sell you.
Tell the big
Alright,
monkey.
get in the machine.
Tell me.
Oh. Oh, I think it turned back to normal at the last second.
I turned into normal size when I died. Don't steal any, please.
I'm trying to see how tiny I can get. Get away!
Wait, step on the landmine. Go step on the landmine.
No, because then it'll turn big.
Yeah, but I want to see what it looks like if you blow up.
Oh, guys, I can
violent.
blow up.
Hello?
Hello. So yeah, guys, we're going to end it off right here since you've seen all the stuff that we can do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.